We're gonna get breakfast now. Let's see what they have. This is like all the condiments, drinks, bagels, eggs. And they also have a waffle maker, cereal, oatmeal. This is what I have so far. So we just ate breakfast, and the food was nothing exciting. It was horrible food. Not so good of a hotel. I do not recommend Marriott. It's just not good. Like a lot of negative things about it. Pubic hair in the bathroom, a little disgusting. We're gonna be going to Hurricane Harbor, but we're gonna be going to CVS just to get some Pepto-Bismol because one of the family members are not feeling well, and then I'll probably taper all around the water park. So that's the plan for today. So here's their little market. Pizza, ice cream, assortment of drinks. Look, there's a Michael Jackson Pepsi here. Gatorade. Oh, hey, Jake.
Yeah, there's a lot of stuff.
Yeah, what else do they have? And they have candy and stuff. They look very small. Very small. Yeah, on the ice cream.
They don't restock on things. Yesterday I got that, and that's gone now. The Lay's chips.
They also have, like,
yeah, they don't restock. So it takes them a long time to restock.
Yeah, and then, oh, here's the menu right here. Taking a tour. Fireplace. Oh wow, they have like a little like office that you could work on the computer over there. Outside. Here's where we have breakfast. We are here. Alright, we're about to enter right now. This is not that big. Not a big park. It's good though.
It'll tell you all about it? Okay, great.
Here's my annual pass. So we went on a bunch of water slides and now we're at something to eat. I don't know why. I'm pretty sure I know what I want to get. They sell the same things all the time. Look what we got. This looks good. So we just got done with Hurricane Harbor. Really good park. Really good park. Got a shirt and everything. Really nice. My favorite ride would have to be the toboggan racers. That was the best ride in the whole park. It was so much fun, and I'll go on it like 3 or more times. Really fun. Where are the classic
Regular going Takis.
Yeah, they have a lot of Takis here.
These are the good ones.
Where's the nitro? Oh, this is like pepper.
Wait, this is the brand. That's the brand. This is the same
That's
brand.
guacamole.
This is the brand.
This is regular Takis.
Exactly what I want.
Ice cream, trolley candy, vending machine. No, it's not a vending machine. Here, then some snacks, tamales and Mike and Ike's. The good old tacos. Good old tacos. Spicy. The Mike and Ike's right here.